Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pay at hotel in Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to pay at hotel, you just simply have to select any of the hotels and apartments that you want into your Agoda application at first. For example, I'm selecting this hotel at here. Now, after selecting the hotel, you just simply have to tap into this See All Rooms option, and now after tapping into See All Rooms, you will get the option of Book into here. You just simply have to tap into Book option and then click into this Final Step button and go to the next step. Now from this step, you just simply have to enter your payment method at here. Then after entering payment method, you just simply have to use the Pay Agoda, use to Pay Later, and then you just have to use Pay Later option at Agoda. Then tap into Book Now option, and after doing that, you can pay at hotel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.